Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your speaker ANKER Soundcore BOOST. You have to play and pause the song by pressing one time on the play pause button. So just press one time and it should play a song. So let's test right here. Now I press it and I pause the song, and if I press again, I play this song. You have a minus button to lower the volume, and you have plus button to increase the volume. So I just increase. I'm just click on the plus button to increase the volume on, or I can press and hold it and increase the volume by this way. If I press on the minus button, I will lower the volume, and again, if I press and hold, I can lower the volume. If you press two times on your play pause button, you can play a next track. 1, 2. And if you press 3 times on play pause button, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. And it works. Also, you have a power button to turn on, turn off your speaker and enter to pairing mode. And you have bass boost, so just click here to enable it and click to disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!